Good afternoon students, welcoming this video. In our earlier class we have discussed how to expand the brackets. Means we have to multiply two numbers by using the brackets. In this class we have discussing about the Roman numbers. So Roman numbers are using in our day-to-day life. In our class we are symboling the classes how to which class we have means for the 6th class we are denoting like this, and for the 7th class we are denoting the numbers like this, and in the clock also we are using the numbers. So what are the Roman numbers? For the one number we are indicating I as the Roman number. So again for the 5 we are using V, and for the 10 X Roman number we are using, and for the 50 L letter we are using, for 100 C letter we are using, for 1000 M letter we are using, and for 500 we are using D letter. So to write the Roman numbers we have some rules. We will understood the rules for the Roman numbers. So for easily we are writing the Roman numbers. So what are the rules? So we will see the rules first. The first rule is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many as times it occurs. So see, this is the I, means it is 1. If it is repeated how many times, that much times it is getting added, means 1 plus 2, 2. For 3 times it is 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 times. How many times it is repeated, that much times it is added. Okay. The first rule is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. See, 1 we are writing as I. It repeats 2 times, means 2 times we are adding 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. If it repeats 3 times, then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 times. See, we cannot repeat this number 4 times. That is the next rule is there. Okay. So the symbol V, L, D are never repeated. See, V means 5, L means 50, and D means 500. These three number symbols are never repeated. Means we are not writing VV. Means 5 plus 5, we are not writing like this. This is not a rule. Okay. We are not repeating V, L and D. Okay. The next rule is, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. See here. Here it is repeated once, and here repeated 2 times, and here repeated 3 times. What did the third rule, what it says, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Okay. Here up to 3 times you can repeat. Okay. See, first means 1. If it repeats 2 times, means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 I am writing. If it repeats 3 times, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. It cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Okay. Again, X is the 10. X is the 10. Okay. 10. If it repeats 2 times, means I am writing 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. If it repeats 3 times, means 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. See, why I not taken V, L, D? Why I am not taken V, L, D? Means the second rule, what it says, V, L, D are never repeated. Okay. This you have to keep in mind. So, they are not told about X, I, about C. Okay. Only these 3 numbers, X, I and L, C, these 3 numbers repeating in 3 times. The third rule, what it say, the symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, like this. Okay. The next rule is, if a smaller symbol is written to the right, then its value is adding. See what it says. Sorry. See, the fourth rule is, if a smaller symbol is written to the right, then its value is adding. So, see, this is 5 and this is 1. Which one is greater? See, 5, V is greater one and I is smaller one. This rule what says, if a smaller symbol is written to the right. See, written to the right means this side. This side is right and whatever we are writing, this side it is left side. So, a symbol is not, sorry, if a smaller symbol is written to the right, this is the smaller and this one is the greater. If a smaller symbol written to the right side, then its value is added to this greater value. Means greater value is 5 plus smaller value is in the right side, means you are adding. So, 5 plus 1 is 6. This rule, what it says, if a smaller symbol is written to the right, then its value is added. This is the greater value, this is the smaller value. We are writing the smaller value to the right side, means it gets added to the greater value. Again, next rule is, if a smaller symbol is written to the left, then its value is subtracting. Okay. See, V means 5, I means 1. See, this is the greater value and I is the smaller value. See, fifth rule, what it says, if a smaller symbol is written to the left, if a smaller symbol is written to the left, see, 5 is the greater value, I is the smaller value. If a smaller symbol written to the left, then its value is subtracting. So, 5 minus 1. V is the greater value, I is the smaller value. When the smaller value written to the left side, then its value is subtracting. So, 5 minus 1 is 4. Means how you are writing 4? 4 how you are writing? Like this. Okay. This concept is telling about this rule. Okay. First rule is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many as times. Means 1, twice, thrice means this value is added. The symbols V, L, D are never repeated. This V, this L and the D should not repeated, means we cannot write. L we should not write. For this we have another method. So the second rule like this. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Here up to 3 times we write this 3 times. Not more than 3 times we should not repeat the symbols. If a smaller symbol is written to the right side, then its value is adding. When we write the smaller value to the right side, then with greater value we are adding the smaller value. And when the smaller symbol is written to the left, okay, when the smaller symbol is written to the left, with greater value we are subtracting the smaller value. We have again 3-4 rules we are discussing in our next class. Thank you.